Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get receipt on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Trainline application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you do not have a profile, you can always go and register on Trainline. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here in the main menu, we have the search where you can go and search for a ticket, of course, or a destination where you would like to go. You have my ticket where you can see all of your tickets. So here at the moment, we have only an example ticket. And in the bottom right corner, we have account where you can see everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a receipt on Trainline. So basically what you have to do guys, firstly is of course buy a ticket. So you can go from put destinations here, find a times and prices and buy a ticket on Trainline. After that, you just need to go and open my tickets. Here, as you know, I don't have any tickets, but you'll have a ticket here when you buy it. Then what you need to do is on that ticket, you just need to go and click on manage my booking. After clicking manage my booking, choose the option expenses receipt. Then you will get an expense receipt will be formatted ready for downloading, and then you can just go and download it on your mobile phone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.